Today, I'm making a creamy and unique dessert, custard with basil seeds. It's smooth, lightly fragrant with rosewater and saffron, and super refreshing. Let's make it together step by step. In a saucepan, add 3½ tablespoons sugar, 3 tablespoons powdered milk, 1 liter water, 1 tablespoon rosewater, a pinch of saffron, diluted in a little water. Mix everything well until fully combined. Add 3 tablespoons custard powder, mix until smooth and no lumps. Place pot on medium heat. Keep stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Add 2 tablespoon basil seeds, soaked in 1/2 cup warm water. Continue stirring until it becomes thick, creamy, and slightly sticky in texture. Just keep stirring. This is the secret to a smooth and creamy custard. Be patient. It will thicken beautifully. And it's done. Super creamy and smooth. You can serve it hot or chilled and top it with fruits, nuts, or saffron for extra flavor. Try this easy dessert and let me know what you think. Full recipe is in the description box below.